time there, okay? They have to spend more time there, okay, for you guys to work. So how long is it takes right now? I think around 3 to 4 minutes directly that I'm going to provide this kind of drawings over here. So right now what we're going to do, so remember guys, okay, please don't basically, with the time that you have, don't just focus too much on those portrait of your face only there, okay? But what you're going to do right now, try to get the structures there first, okay? The more that you actually can focus while you draw, the more accurate it can be. But let it flow there, guys, okay? Let it flow there. See the hairline, okay? I captured the shape there first. I didn't draw every single hair there yet, right? If I want to draw every single hair, maybe I can actually change, see, from edges into this surface there, okay? The bottom of those charcoals there to provide those shades of those hair, see? That's basically what we actually can mix to the okay, and improvise based on those tools there, okay, that we actually use. Same goes to this part over here. Same goes to this part of the shadows there, right? And this part of the shadows there. See how actually I combine all those shadows areas that I saw from there. This is also something that we actually going to explore for the rest of those exercises later on. Don't worry, it's there, okay? I just show you guys how it works, how to capture that, right? So mixed up with those etching kind of techniques over here for the shadows. Okay, for the shadows there. And this part basically are going to be those masks, kind of what we call that. The textures itself. Right. So some of the details that you saw right here, it doesn't have to be meant to add first there. So what I want to see from your developments there, right, one of the most important thing is all about the structures itself. I didn't focus, that's why I say I didn't focus too much on those details there. I want to capture the structures there first. At the same time, I want to see whether I can actually provide the right kind of structures for your whole compositions. Okay. So the measurement, go back. Even I make mistakes there, right? Okay? I still can provide that kind of informations there for my drawings there, see? So this is basically the name tag, okay? I didn't actually work on it, right? I did not basically focus too much on that because it's not important there. Okay? For me, basically right now, it's not important for me to study the whole thing there, okay? I want to draw his faces there, okay? Using basically this kind of exercise there, right? So what I'm going to do, okay, I just provide basically some suggestions there. How long does it take there?
Around 11
minutes there,
because
right?
they
Okay.
just stop around 2 minutes like that.
Okay.
So that's equal 9 minutes.
9 minutes there, right? Okay, to work on that. Okay. If you want to add more detail, okay, because just now basically, right, okay, I spent around 3 minutes only to draw one particular kind of drawings there, okay. So it depends there, okay. So the more time that you provide, basically the more detail that you actually can evolve with those drawings. So that's basically the tricks there, right? The tips there, right? Okay. So you want to add more details, that means you have to draw more. Okay, you have to spend more time there, okay? Simple as that. But right now, I'm combining two different kind of etchings there, okay? And 4 different kind of etchings, 3 different kind of etchings on my techniques, like the cross etchings a bit, the shadings there, right? Okay, and also the structures itself there, the sketch kind of line. Okay. So am I actually right focused too much on the portraits? No. Okay. What I do basically, I'm using basically our friends over here there, okay? You know, we call that structures there to create a portrait there. If you can get more closest, more better there, okay? But for me, I can't basically bear a lot of time there to focus too much because because I've mixed up around with my explanations, okay, and also I create those kind of works all together there, okay, in one time there. That's why basically, right, it's quite difficult for some people to manage to work with it. Okay, now I have that, right, okay, almost complete, okay, my kind of drawings without any erasers. That's basically what we want to develop there, right? Okay, without any erasers. How we control the pressures there before? Am I actually add a lot of details? I press too much on those lines before I confirm with the structures? No, there, right? So when I actually get a lot of overall structures there, then I will start to add more and more details there. Can you see? Right. The light came from